So before jumping on to the topic, my first question is, do you hate AI? That's a weird question to ask, right? Okay, so do you love AI? So for me, I can answer it as both ways. So I hate it also that it's create less job opportunities and etc. But I love it also because I'm using it in many projects. So this is my simple question to you guys: that will AI be able to uh, transition into artificial general intelligence, or the AI bubble will burst and the stock market are going to be crash, and all the chips and AI companies going to crash the stocks? So it's a really simple question. I hope you guys can discuss in the comment section. So the first aspect we are going to discuss is fixing problem fast and efficiently. So basically, when we prompt something and it made mistakes, like does not made the alignment correct. So when you give it a prompt with the example, let's say screenshot, then it must be able to figure it out and fix your problem in one go. So I really have a bad experience with Codex in this matter. So I was building a chat application, and in that chat application, in the update section, where the alignment was not good, so I shared the screenshot and told it to fix the alignment. And of course, 3 to 4 prompt consecutively, and then it built. Okay, I was building in Swift also parallelly in the vibe coding. So in the Swift version of iOS apk, it IPA, it was perfect, but in the apk of React Native, it was really mess. So uh, I'm going to give 100 points to Antigravity for fixing things, because I am on my stock market project, and it fixes things in maximum two times. Like, it does not take much more effort to fix the problem. So for fixing fast and efficiently, I'll give a point to Antigravity. How well does they work? Like, okay, even if let's say that Codex will take 5 times, but what if the Codex output is after 5 times much more better than Antigravity? So here I'm going to be giving points on both sides, because I'm building an option trading and a chat application with Codex, and it really messed up in that particular update section only. Otherwise, it was quite good for other other screens or anything. So I'll say that it's both are good, but slightly edge to Antigravity. But you can use both; they both are really good. But one thing is that um, if you're a student, you can buy a pro version. Otherwise, the limit of this Anti-gravity will the token limit will go very fast. And Codex also, you need a subscription, which I have 2000 rupees subscription, so it is really good. And I'm going to upgrade it to pro also, because I'm currently building two application with Codex, one of chat and one of option reading. So I'm going to upgrade it. And I also have a pro plan of Anti-gravity. So in this case, I'll slightly bias towards Anti-gravity. So now third thing is which model to select, or we overall decide that which has a better model to build apps. Like, you think that Codex has a better models, or you think that Anti-gravity has a better model. So I'll just show you which models it has currently: 3.1, 3.1 high, low, and these flash models and Opus and Sonnet. So if you are building a serious application, like a stock market application, like a chat application, like, they are really big, and it takes, like, I'm building this application for almost 3 months. So you absolutely need Claude Opus 4.6 for heavy architecture, like applying a stock market logic and explaining it. So even in that also, it can made mistake, and it has made mistakes. So make sure that Claude Opus 4.6, if you are using Anti-gravity, you go for it for a high architecture design or logic implementation. And for Sonnet 4.6, you can use it for fixing minor errors, like changing the button of color of the button, or you can use flash model also for that. But maybe a little bit mid tier, you can use Claude Sonnet. and Gemini 3.1 and Opus 4.6. These are like they are neck to neck models. So what happened is I use both. They both are good. So you can use either of them. If one limit is over, then you can use other one. So that's it in anti-gravity. Now we are going to talk about Codex. So Codex has recently launched one of the few models, and I have been testing the Terra and Soul. So surprisingly, the Terra was much more better than Soul. Soul created like the update problem which I talked earlier in the video was because of the Soul. It had taken 2 to 3 prompts to fix that problem, whereas after I switched to Terra, it was fixed in that one prompt only. So before that, I was using 5.5 with extra high or high, but you can use GPT 5.6 Tera. It is really good with Ultra if you are going for a high end project. So even though I'll not suggest you to build a high end project with Codex, it is nice. That's it for this video. If you guys like this video, comment down below and subscribe, share, and thank you very much.